Final van der Waals equation, 1 mole form. P plus A slash V superscript 2, V, B, equals RT. Where P equals pressure. V equals volume. T equals temperature. R equals gas constant. A, B equals van der Waals constants, experimentally determined. Derivation of van der Waals equation. Starting with the ideal gas law, PV equals nRT. We apply two corrections. Pressure correction. Due to attractions between particles, actual pressure is less than ideal. P underscore corrected equals P plus AN superscript 2 slash V superscript 2. Keycap 2 volume correction. Since gas molecules occupy space, free volume is less. V underscore corrected equals V, NB. Now substitute both into the ideal gas equation. P plus AN superscript 2 slash V superscript 2, V, NB, equals nRT. This is the van der Waals equation for N moles. Application to real gases. 1. Explain C. Compressibility factor, behavior. At low pressure, attraction dominates C less than 1. At high pressure, volume dominates C greater than 1. 2. Explains liquefaction of gases. The van der Waals equation shows when attraction becomes strong, gases can condense into liquids. 3. Explains critical constants. From van der Waals equation, we can derive critical temperature, Tc, critical pressure, Pc, critical volume, Vc, useful in understanding gas liquefaction and supercritical fluids.